Hi YouTube family. Anyone can list antivirus features, but where the proof that they actually work today? I will show you the four best antivirus options for 2025 that truly deliver. I will down the pros and the cons of each to keep it really. How do we know if these antiviruses are effective? One way in through independent tests is by AVT test. Research institute the fairly evaluates software in their latest assessments. All four provides score top marks in protection and usability with only a minor education in performance. However, I will not fully convinced, so I tested them myself. I loaded my PC with 100 malware files and let each antivirus run a full scan. Science full scans take too long to show is really time. Here are the results: scan duration, CPU load, and malware detection rate. White Fender was the most effective but look the longest. Total AV and Norton had similar results, but Norton used fewer system resources. Surfshark, primarily a VPN provider, has developed a strong antivirus solution. It includes real-time protection and additional security rules like Surfshark is search our private search engine, and Surfshark Alert, which monitors for data breaches. It's also highly user-friendly and has no device limits per account. Something even premium antivirus providers lack. However, Surfshark lacks are functional firewall which are essential for full protection. It also does not have parental controls. A feature available is Norton and Bright Fender that said Surfshark is one of the most affordable options. Can the QR discount? With a 30 days money back guarantee, you can try it risk free. Norton is a powerhouse for advanced user. It provides excellent real time protection and scored well in marvel detection. However, its interface is complex with multiple scan options can and an AI driven firewall that may overall beginners. Another downside is its aggressive false positive rate. It flagged known malware files more often than offer other providers. Pricing is affordable in the first year, but it rises sufficiently. Use the discount like link or QR code if you are experiences user known in one of the best antivirus choices. Total AV is the opposite of Norton. It's designed for simplicity. It offers all essential security features plus an interrogate and AD block, total AD block, which works across all major browsers. While Total AV is one of the cheapest antivirus solutions, its downsides include with the high CPU usage during scans and slow customer support. There no live chat and responses can be delayed. However, it's a straightforward, beginners friendly antivirus and with a 30 days money back guarantee. You can try it risk free. Finally, through Finally, thoughts there. Here are quick summary of the best antivirus options for 2025. Bitdefender, best malware detection and overall protection. Surfshark, affordable, versatile, and best choice. Dapper scan time CPU. Difference is if you already have a favorite, check the descriptions for the best antiviruses coupon code. And but antivirus software is not just about malware scans. The other go over the standout features and drawbacks of each. But under Ford offer top their security, including real-time reinforced and web attack protection. If it uses AI and machine learning for spam detection and punishing, preventing safe pay is its secure browser protector. Online purchases, it's great for multi devices protection, supporting all major operating systems. However, it's one of the bulkier antivirus programs requiring sufficient storage and time to install. Also, it integrated VPN is limited with a 200 MB daily cap and slow speeds, making it unsuitable for streaming or touring. Still, Bitfinder is one of the safest antivirus options for 2025. It's not the cheapest, but only they use QR code on the screen or for a discount and 3 day 30 days back money back guarantee. Offers additional security tools, not a fully customizable option for advanced user. Total AV, the simplest and most beginner friendly choice. Which one will you choose? Let me know in the comments if you found this review helpful. Don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching and see you in this next video.